In how many states does matter exist? Answer: matter exists in three states: solid, liquid, and gases. Second, what is mass? How does it differ from weight? Mass is the amount of substance in the body, while weight is the gravitational pull exerted by the earth on the body. What do you understand by Brownian motion? How does it differ in various states of matter? Brownian motion is the random movement of the particles due to colliding with each other or due to colliding with the walls of the container. It is maximum in gas, it is medium in liquid, it is least in solids. What do you understand by the term pure substance? Mention its important characteristics. Pure substance have fixed physical and chemical properties. Example: elements and compounds. Smallest particle of element is shown by atom. Atom is shown by symbol. Compound. Smallest particle of compound is shown by molecule. Molecule is shown by formula. What is the theory of particulate nature of matter? Arrangement of particles in solid is very close to each other. Interparticle space in solid is minimum. Interparticle force of attraction in solid is maximum. Interparticle space in liquid is medium. Interparticle force of attraction in liquid is medium. Particles are arranged away from each other, not very close to each other. Gases. Particles are arranged far away from each other. Interparticle space is maximum. Interparticle force of attraction is minimum in gases. What do you understand by cohesive force? Cohesive force is the attractive force between two particles. What are the interparticle space and interparticle force of attraction? Interparticle space is the space between the two particles. Interparticle force of attraction is the force due to which two particles are held together. Name two elements which exist as single atom. Helium, neon, krypton, argon, xenon, radon. Examples of elements with single atom.